Hi, welcome to CK Diary. I'm a girl who loves to cook, read, and romanticize every little moment. So grab your coffee and welcome to my little diary.
Let's look what I did. Cabbage chips.
So, good evening guys. So, ito na yung galing sa automatic grinder natin. Grind ko lang siya. So, these are mga gulay na kung ano lang yung nakita ko dito. Tapos, lalagyan lang natin siya mamaya ng flour and ng egg. Then, gagawin na natin siyang veggie balls. Ganun. So, supposed to be, dapat carrots siya, diba? Usually. Wala kaming ganun. So, naubos. So, ito na lang. Paano lang yung available sa aming fridge, yun lang yung ginamit ko. So, by the way, mga nandito is cabbage, onion, onion leaves, mga ganun. Basta kung ano lang yun nandito guys. Meron ding bell peppers dito. Dinalagyan ko siya. Let's see if itong mga ginagawa kong experiment is masarap naman. So, ito na yung mixture natin. So, ito na yung finished product natin, guys. So, ito na yung ulam natin, guys. Gumawa lang din ako ng sauce. Ayan. It's the reality after eating. Need to wash.
Today is Saturday, guys. And the rain finally stopped. Ganda ng weather today. And here is my brunch for today kasi kagigising ko lang. Pastil. Cravings ko to for the past few weeks and finally, ngayon nakaluto na. So as you can see guys, umuulan na naman.
So, for today, we're gonna cook adobo. Have manok. And then, yung mga onion and garlic and ginger.
Our adobo is now cooked. So I made a churros. So guys, I'm having my brunch because it's past 12 now. And ito yung coffee ko, my usual coffee while watching a vlog. And nagprito ko kanina ng spring roll. Ayan. With sweet chili sauce. Ayan. Let's eat, guys!
Life moves so quickly that sometimes you don't realize how far you've come.
So, for my brunch, nireheat ko lang yung Jollibee. Ayan. So, this is my brunch kasi kagigising ko lang din and I'm having my coffee.
So, here's our lunch or brunch. Ayan.
By the way, my mom went to the Bagsakan earlier wherein nagbebenta sila ng mga low prices na veggies. Ayan. May mga nabili siyang ganito. I don't know kung what price but sabi niya mura lang niya nakuha. We have here carrots, luya or ginger, and ito, sayote, potato, ayan, and also have ito.
So guys, today we're going to make veggie balls. So, nag-grind lang ako ng carrots and itong onion leaves. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng flour. So, ilalagay na natin itong flour. Guys, tinatansya ko lang talaga palagi. Maglalagay din pala tayo ng garlic powder and egg and a little bit of water. And of course, yung mga pampalasa natin like pepper, salt, and a little bit of sugar and magic sarap din. Ayan. So, nilipat ko lang siya dito guys kasi nga hindi na siya kakasya dun sa isa nating bowl kanina. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng water and ng egg. So, nilagyan ko na siya guys ng mga pampalasa. Ayan. By the way, dinagdagan ko ng guys, ng flour. Tinatansya-tansya ko siya. So, ito na yung mixture natin guys and we're ready now to fry this. So, ito na yung veggie balls natin guys. Let's eat! We're gonna pay. Bayad kami ng kuryente today. So we're gonna get seaweed for my baon. Tingnan mo, ang cute. Kakamuna. Joke lang, ayoko.
Father.